Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an impressive tool that can elevate your crafting and detailing projects, the Chicago Pneumatic CP9104Q Air Pencil Die Grinder. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Chicago Pneumatic CP9104Q? This is a high-speed die grinder designed specifically for precision work. With a compact and lightweight design, this tool is ideal for intricate tasks, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. Weighing in at only 0.44 pounds and measuring just 5.24 inches in length, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver during extended use. One of the standout features of this air pencil die grinder is its impressive performance. It boasts a powerful 0.05 horsepower motor that can reach an astounding 60,000 revolutions per minute. This level of speed allows you to achieve precise results quickly, whether you're grinding, polishing, or deburring. The built-in air regulator is another smart addition, giving you the ability to control the speed for enhanced safety and precision. This feature is crucial, especially when working on delicate materials where you need to be meticulous. Now, let's talk about who this tool is suitable for. The Chicago Pneumatic CP9104Q is perfect for professionals in fields such as welding, automotive detailing, and woodworking. Its ability to handle high-speed precision tasks makes it a valuable asset for anyone looking to achieve a flawless finish. Additionally, hobbyists and DIYers will find it equally beneficial for their home projects, whether you're working on metal, plastics, or even wood. Speaking of practical use cases, imagine you're detailing a classic car. The CP9104Q can help you get into those tight spaces for polishing and smoothing surfaces that larger tools simply can't reach. Or, if you're a woodworker, you can use this grinder for intricate carving and shaping tasks, giving your projects that professional touch. Its versatility means it can also handle deburring tasks on metal edges, providing a safer and more refined finish. In summary, the Chicago Pneumatic CP9104Q Air Pencil Die Grinder is a powerful, ergonomic, and versatile tool that excels in precision tasks across various applications. It combines speed, safety, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.